Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix CapCut. Too many people are using this future error. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on this. Scroll down little bit, you can find your apps. Tap on this. Search here CapCut. Scroll down little bit. You can see here storage. Tap on this. You can see here clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear data. Go back. Next, tap on permission. Tap on all permission. Now go back to your home screen and go to your Play Store apps. Search here CapCut. Your CapCut app need an update. Tap on update. Now your CapCut apps is already latest version and update. Okay, now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone power icon. Now restart your phone. Now go back to your CapCut app. Tap on project, select photo. Next, tap on add. Next, tap on video effect. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.